please hit the notification bell and also hit the like button. This helps in our ratings with the videos and we appreciate it. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about installing an access cover in a Tiger wing. It had a dent, and the AG5B has smaller lightning holes than the traditional Tigers. And so therefore, to get in there with the dent removal tool, an access cover had to be cut in the bottom of the wing. Not hard to do. Stand by.
Okay, now put your
T-square up. So how much, what would you expect?
Let me explain a little bit about that. I'd like to measure it. Now, what you
No, I've already got the measurement.
Oh, okay. You've got some brushes back 70 inches down. Well, what you're doing is you're not.
That should be our center right there.
Now, what Tony doesn't say is
Just double measure
standard
from there
to
to that.
Take your little pressure gauge.
7 inches to this side of that. Got plenty of room there.
Just to be safe, we're going to do a test cut here and make sure we have the right size before going to the wing.
That'll work for the test hole.
Yeah.
Now, let's lay this on flat. Okay, now we got to bring it back in. See, you're
Go in
1/16 of an inch.
1/16, and we'll drill a new hole.
scratch the finger outside of it. Yeah, the bottom.
I'm going to sand the whole area when I paint it anyway, so that's the difference.
Oh, you're.
Got to sand it, and that's an iodine itself.
Here, hold it flat.
No.
Good.
Pretty good, huh?
Perfect.
Okay.
What's the one word you don't want to hear your mechanic say? Uh-oh. Yeah.
Wow, I didn't want you to do that.
Just to furnish it.
2.5 hours. 2.5 hours in the motor.
You like things that are very stupid.
I did.
You're hitting the rib.
In 5 hours.
Ken, you're hitting the rib. Can you come the other way?
If I would normally do this.
Pull that light back.
When I did the last one with a hit a fence post,
Yeah.
guy threw it in. And
No, I'm worse off the other way because I got the vent in there.
At 1 o'clock.
Okay, give me the short one.
And everything, but I used accelerators for the paint part.
Okay.
And I
Okay.
and you still have
Now I need the butt end of the tool.
You're hitting the right. All right. You're okay.
got the light out of your way. Is it? Want to just throw out the rivets and move the vent? We can pop rivet it back in. It's also probably glued to the wing on the bottom there, right? I saw when my dad was stationed in Spain, a guy wrecked a Jaguar. And he took the Delta pilot and he took it to the shop. He comes back to look at it. They had taken the quarter panel off and cut it into pieces. And there were guys with little mallets and they were straightening every piece. And then they welded it all back together. And when it was on the car, you would never have known it would ever be wrecked.
No Bondo.
Not a bit.
They'll back out a bit, but I've tried dry ice.
Investigated this guy in Birmingham who does business with business jets that get dents on the leading edge slats.
Wow.
And they can't take off unless the dent's out.
Yeah.
He has an electromagnetic process that sets up a high power eddy field on both sides of the aluminum.
Okay.
He collapses the outside field or the inside field and the outside field.
Two different temperatures then.
Do it, you know? And he says, oh, we gotta knock this paint area down. I said, hey, he said, what do you use? And I said, probably 320, 220 at the wildest.
Yeah.
And he says, how do you get paint off? I'm gonna try to keep from dripping this shit in my eyes.
All right, we got a little play. You want center?
Get her, it'll center. It's perfect. Once you get her, I had it up there once.
Lock in?
Yeah.
No.
At the front.
Yeah.
Stand by.
Drill right between my fingers there, it'll be fine. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. No. You're gonna drill through this,
Here,
right?
want me to
Through
drill
the dimple. There you go.
Move your hand.
Okay, sorry.
No, not yours. All right. Somebody had their hand right between the.
All right, Clico.
Is it got the little red dot on top?
I do.
Drill a hole
Okay,
in my
perfect. Thank
finger.
you.
Okay.
Which one am I going, Jimmy? Okay, now I want to do this one.
Yes. What are you talking about? There.
Now this one.
Oh, okay. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they may sell aftermarket ones there too, like at Advanced or
Okay, now.
I think you're going to be the next Avenger. Clico me.
It's like when you build an RV, there's about 1 million on the wing. I get really good at Clico. Thank Ken.
Come on, get in the hole.
See, if Roscoe was an RV guy, he would have known exactly where the dimples were.
You're angling.
I'll be building. I got a big dimpling arm and a table for it. You know, because I'm probably gonna have an RV one day. But I'm gonna buy one already flying.
Are you partial pressure or we need new battery?
Partial. I'm just partial trigger.
I charged the battery last night. It's fresh.
Then come aft a little, you're drilling a pretty good angle. There you go. Yep.
Okay, now.
Paint. Okay. Hey, Jimmy. This one's ready for prep. We're going to chromate the inner ring. I'll give you the outer ring. All the
I generally hit those lightly with the DA.
Yep. Gotta do something.
Nebraska, we're gonna.
If we got Alabama here,
Okay, you can choose whichever weapons you want.
so we'll go through the number 40 hole.
Screw.
So we hope you found all that useful and informative. You only have to do that if you put aux fuel systems in a two-place. Thanks for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, as a little treat, about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff, here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.